Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change an Audi A3 key fob battery. First, make sure you have a fresh CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver ready. A clean, well-lit area will help prevent losing any small parts. This simple task is surprisingly quick, usually taking less than 5 minutes from start to finish. Having the right tools on hand makes the entire process smooth and hassle-free, getting your key fob back to full power efficiently. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key slides out. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, you'll feel the two halves of the fob begin to separate. Be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic casing. The goal is to create a small gap, allowing you to fully separate the two sections. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side faces up. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, carefully insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This correct placement is crucial for the key fob to function properly after reassembly. To reassemble, simply align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click. This confirms the casing is securely closed. Test your key fob immediately to ensure it locks and unlocks your car. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. Also, remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.